In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import themes in Google Sites. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring an existing design into your site so your pages look polished and consistent without rebuilding styles from scratch. Start by opening your browser and going to Google Sites. If you're not already signed in, sign in with the account that owns or can access the sites you need. When the site's homepage loads, look for the Recent Sites section. This view makes it easy to find projects you've worked on lately. Click Recent Sites to reveal your list, then choose the site you want to update. Click its thumbnail to open the site editor. Inside the editor, look to the right-hand sidebar where you'll see the panels for Insert, Pages, and Themes. Switch to Themes. This is where you control your site's design settings. At the top of that panel, click Import Theme. Importing lets you reuse a theme that already exists, so you keep the fonts, colors, and component styles that you liked from another site. A picker window will open showing the Google sites you can access. Use the search bar if you have many sites, or browse your folders to locate the site that has the design you want to copy. If you're using a work or a school account, remember that access is governed by your organization's sharing settings, so you'll only see sites you're allowed to use. When you've found the source site with the theme you want, click it to select it. Next, confirm your choice by clicking Select. You'll see details for the theme you're about to bring in. This is a good moment to make sure you've chosen the correct source, especially if you have multiple versions of a site. When you're confident it's the right one, click Import Theme. Google Sites will apply the imported design to your current site. You should notice fonts, color palettes, buttons, and other style elements update right away while your content stays exactly where it is. Importing a theme affects the look and feel, not your pages or text, so it's a safe way to refresh your design. If something doesn't look right, you can undo immediately, or you can re-import a different theme and adjust from there. After the import, scan a few pages to confirm headings, links, and contrast are clear and readable. You can fine-tune within the Themes panel by adjusting color variations and font pairs to better match your brand. For peace of mind, consider making a duplicate of your site before big design changes, especially if multiple people are collaborating. That's it. Your Google site now uses the imported theme. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your upgraded design.